How can you trust him?
He's always been my friend.
Yeah, right. You know the rules, Kane. Remember? Or have you taken too many bumps in your fucking head?
Look, he knows where the brothers are. End of story.
I think you're losing your focus, old man. So did Tharpa.
I don't give a shit about Tharpa. He's so fucking greedy, we're probably better off without him.
Shit. I hate all this walking.
Well, Carlos says this is the safest way in.
What, we're taking orders from that prick now? Okay, can't we just kill him? I mean, we know where the brothers are.
What do I have to do to make you shut up?
All right. Just keep your shit together. I still think this is stupid.
Are we gonna have this discussion again? So, this is
This
it?
doesn't feel right,
Yeah.
and you know it.
You see the hacienda up at the end? That's where the brothers stay.
It's more like a boot camp to me.
Well, you know how they are.
Big airfield. Trafficking from here too?
Of course, but very low-key.
No radios?
No, none at all. Only alarm flares to worry about. If we can get in the valley without any going off, we'll have a chance to get to the brothers.
Oh, very nice. But where's our payment in all this? We're not leaving empty-handed again.
There's tons of heroin in the village. You can pick up as much as you can. Just help us get into the valley and make sure to secure the airstrip.
Quick! Get them before they fire off any flares! Be more careful when we get to the top.
Keep the flares in the hut. You brought your push dagger, Kane?
I'm getting too old for this sneaking up on people.
Well, you can't kill them all with one shot either.
Okay, just keep low. I'm out of ammo. I need more.
over there.
Chinga,
They're over there.
Sure thing.
Over there.
We'll try it.
Oh, this is not good. Shit! Just leave me. Oh, shit. He's down.
Chinga su madre. Fuck! I've hit that.
You see that? Over here, Kane.
I got some ammo. Take him.
Got it.
You hear me?
Look what you've done! You always fuck up, Kane! Always!
You can have some of mine.
Over here.
Fuck you.
Oye, me gustan tus zapatos nuevos. Buenos, ¿no? Están muy de moda.
Telling you. Village has been there after smack.
I know. After that
Shit, man, I hear you.
Get over here. Stay close.
Fuck you! What the fuck are they doing?
Just clearing the area for more poppy fields. Cover me!
Come on, move!
Sure thing. Great, the bridge is up.
Don't worry, this gorge is the only place we can rappel into the valley.
Come on!
I need you to come over here.
We'll have to take them by surprise. We can't let them get away. The hacienda is too close.
Wait. Wait!
Be careful now. You can't take them.
Here we go.
Let's get them!
Give him some heat.
Come on.
Let's go, this way.
Sure thing.
Quiet. They should be on the other side.
Who?
Yeah. What the fuck are you talking about?
Calm down. Carlos contacted some friends before we left. They should be waiting for us on the other side.
I bet they are. Kane, are you stupid?
Lynch, these men are loyal to both Carlos and me.
Loyal. Is that even a real word to you?
Lynch, you don't know what you're talking about, so shut up. We need all the help we can get.